Hi, this is steadycam. It's pictured on eBay. Some people have asked for some footage. That's the adjustment mechanism front to back, which is just a slot to allow you to move the camera backwards and forwards. There's also side to side adjustment via an Allen screw. Basically, once you've set it up for the first time, you've no need to move that again. There's one fixed weight here on the end, and you've attached a quick release plate. Then basically you can leave your quick release plate in place, and it's just very quick to just take your camera on and off. But again, I repeat, the quick release plate does not come with this unit. So here you see we've actually attached the quick release plate. We've now screwed the balancing weights on. I'll just turn the camera sideways and then you'll be able to see that there. Alright, we've altered the camera now, and I'll just move this. As you can see, we've added the balance weights on the bottom,